In this video, we're going to take a look at how you do filtering in a pivot table in Excel. So first we need to create our pivot table. Pivot tables only make sense if you have repeating values in columns, which we do here. We've got repeating values in all of the first three columns here, so it's a great example of data that would be appropriate for a pivot table. And we've got our field headings at the top. And let's go to Insert and click on Pivot Table. Here's our data. If we put the cursor in the data, and I blew it, I didn't let go of the mouse. Just have to have one thing selected in your data. I had selected this and left the mouse there. So it's going to select the data incorrectly if you select more than one cell. So let's go back here and try that again. Now it's giving me all of the data, and I'm going to put on a new worksheet, click on OK. And we need a simple pivot table here. And we're going to do product, month, and revenue. And let's do a little bit of formatting here. We'll do a comma. And there it gives me my revenue by product and by month. And let's say that I want to do a little bit of filtering here. I don't want to see all of the months. I just want to see the top months. Actually, what you might want to do before you do this is you might want to do a little bit of sorting. And so we do have the months in order. Let's do a largest to smallest. And now I've got the best month at the top and the worst month at the bottom for each one of my products. So now I've got it sorted. All I want to see is the first three. Well, the first three are going to be here on the top of each one, but I don't want to see the other ones. So this particular command in Excel is a little counterintuitive, I think. If I want to see the top three values in this column, you'd think you would start in this column. But if I right click on one of these numbers, you don't see any options here for filtering. So let's go over here and right click on the month, and there it is. There's our filter option. And we're going to do top 10, and that's a generic number. You can make that any number you want to. And we're going to make it a 3 by bouncing on the down arrow here. And you can do top or bottom. We're doing top. We're going to do the items and sum of revenue. And click on OK. And it just hit everything except the top 3 months. So those are my best 3 months for Brazilian coffee. Those are the best 3 for French. And those are the best 3 for Turkish. And that's how easy it is to filter a pivot table in Excel.